Crunchified Clean friends, here are my organizing tips for a bedroom closet. I love organizing and decluttering, and for this client, it was about organizing her closet and making more space so she can add more clothes that she needed to add in there. First thing I always do when I'm tackling any kind of closet, whether it's a clothing closet or a food pantry, I take everything out. Everything. I need to start with a clean slate. So everything from top to bottom gets removed out the closet. I put it on top of a bed or on the floor. I move it out of my way. I then vacuum it up, dust it, clean it, get the space all nice and crunchified clean so that everything can get back in there. The way I organize things back into a closet is I like to put things back in categories. Spring, summer, nice tops go on one side. Winter coats, warmer clothes go on another side. Scarves, accessories tend to go in the middle. Pants go together. Skirts and dresses go together. I group things so that it's easier to find. I also, within those groups, I like to color code it. Light to dark. It's visually pleasing and it looks nice and I just like it. And my clients do too. I like using those felt velour type hangers for nicer shirts and dresses. It feels nicer on the material and I think it holds better. And then thicker plastic or wooden hangers I'll use for heavy coats because it holds the heavier coat better. I used bins in this situation for her cardigans because the closet was getting nice and full, so I wanted to keep the cardigans separate. So I did those by color coded as well, like the lighter colors cardigans and then the darker cardigans. I used a bin for her skirts, folded the pants over a hanger. I used scarf hangers. Scarf hangers are awesome if you love scarves. It just makes hanging up scarves so much easier. When it comes to shoe boxes, I wish all shoe companies would make a picture of the shoe and put it on the outside of the shoebox. It would make my life and everyone else's life easier if you can actually see the shoe that's in the box. Because not everyone has clear shoe bins, not everyone wants clear shoe bins. Just put a little picture of the shoe on the outside of the box. Or if you have a Polaroid camera, you could take a picture of your shoe and tape it to the outside of the box. But if the shoe box already has a picture of the shoe, face that out so that you can see the shoe. And for shoes, I also organized it by season. I put the strappy summer sandals where the summer nice tops go, and the winter boots on the side where the winter coats are. I put any extra accessories, purses up on the top shelf, and look at that. It just looks so nice and organized, crunchified clean. She was able to put more things in her closet that she needed from another room. So now she has all her work clothes and fun clothes and all her clothes in one space. And it makes it easy to find. And it smells good because I cleaned out the closet as well. Nice and organized and crunchified clean. Let me know if you have any other tips or tricks or questions. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more eco-oily cleaning tips. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.